Psalm 30. Resurrection and dancing after weeping. I will extol thee, O Lord, for thou hast lifted me up, and hast not made my foes to rejoice over me. O Lord my God, I cried unto thee, and thou hast healed me. O Lord, thou hast brought up my soul from the grave. Thou hast kept me alive, that I should not go down to the pit. Sing unto the Lord, O ye saints of his, and give thanks at the remembrance of his holiness. For his anger endureth but a moment, in his favor is life. Weeping may endure for a night, but joy cometh in the morning. And in my prosperity I said, I shall never be moved. Lord, by thy favor thou hast made my mountain to stand strong. Thou didst hide thy face, and I was troubled. I cried to thee, O Lord, and unto the Lord I made supplication. What profit is there in my blood when I go down to the pit? Shall the dust praise thee? Shall it declare thy truth? Hear, O Lord, and have mercy upon me. Lord, be thou my helper. Thou hast turned for me my mourning into dancing. Thou hast put off my sackcloth and girded me with gladness, to the end that my glory may sing praise to thee, and not be silent, O Lord my God. I will give thanks unto thee forever. Devotional meditation. Psalm 30 is a celebration of resurrection, not just from physical death, but from sorrow, despair, and hiddenness. David wrote this for the dedication of the house, yet it is deeply personal. Thou hast lifted me up. This psalm reminds us that weeping is seasonal, but joy is covenantal. It moves from trembling to dancing, from sackcloth to gladness. To pray this psalm is to offer gratitude after divine deliverance and to declare, you brought me back to life. Invocation of Activation. O lifter of the lowly, raise me from sorrow. Let joy come in the morning and clothe me in praise. Remove the veil of weeping and anoint me with gladness. Let my soul sing and never be silent. Amen.